Comrades, the pace at which our teachers and our nurses and other skilled professionals are leaving Jamaica is a national crisis. We are ranked number 2 in the world for human flight and brain drain, number 2 in the world. While our people must remain free to take advantage of opportunities for self-advancement abroad, we must create an environment here at home so that our professionals feel respected, comfortable, and will want to stay here and help to build this country. And where those who leave will have a reason to come back home in due course. And to do this requires creative thinking, which this government sadly lacks. Our spokesperson for education and training, Senator Damian Crawford, has recognized that need. He has proposed that teachers get student debt reductions and motor vehicle concessions which increase with their years of service. He has proposed enhanced access to National Housing Trust loans for our professionals and priority in housing allocations for schemes that are financed by the NHT. He has suggested a package deal to negotiate with the government so that our teachers have free internet service as a tool of trade. These are ideas that can help to stem the brain drain in this country and help to ensure that our teachers will stay to educate the generations to come.